In a computer, Molex, mini connectors, and SATA are types of power connectors used to supply power to different components. Molex connector, this is an older, 4-pin power connector typically used to power ID hard drives, optical drives, and some fans. It provides 12V and 5V power and is recognizable by its larger size and 2 rounded edges. Mini connector, often called the Thberg connector, this smaller, 4-pin connector was traditionally used to power floppy disk drives. It's less common today but can still be found in older systems or specialized hardware. SATA connector, SATA connectors are more modern and are used to power SATA hard drives, SSDs, and optical drives. The SATA power connector is flat, L-shaped, and typically has 15 pins, offering 3.3V, 5V, and 12V power. Each of these connectors serves a specific purpose, with Molex and Mini being more common in older systems and SATA being the standard in newer ones.